Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning computer class. Class, yesterday I was explained antivirus tips. That was clear. So now today we will understand latest trends in computer technology. Here are top 10 trends of 21st century computers given. Today we will understand top 10 trends of 21st centuries. Clear? Latest trends. Number 1. First trend that is given in your book is computer will become powerful extensions of human beings designed to enhance intelligence, learning, communications and productivity. Means latest trends number 1 is given book computer will become more powerful extension of human beings, means comparison to human beings computer will become more powerful extension being designed to enhance intelligence, learning, communications and productivity. Is it clear? Number 2, second latest trends, computers will become intuitive, they will learn, recognize and know which we want, means what we desire. Again we will understand second trends, computers will become initiative, they will learn, recognize and know which we want, that means what we desire. Is it clear? Third latest trends is computer chips will be everywhere and they will become invisible, embedded in everything from brains and hearts. Means computer chips will be everywhere and they will become invisible, means that cannot see. Understood? Embedded in everything from brains and hearts. Number 4, fourth trends, latest trends, computers will manage essential global systems. Computers will manage essential global systems such as like transportation and food productions better than human. Comparison to better than human. Next, number 5. Fifth number, latest trends, online computers resources will enable to download applications, demand via wireless access anywhere and anytime. Online computer resources will be enabled to download applications, means that can be enabled for downloading applications on demand through wireless access, means through wireless access without wire access, means Wi-Fi, via wireless access anywhere and any time. Anywhere and any time we can access through online computer. Number 6 class, computers will have digital senses, speech, sight, smell, hearing, that will be enable them to communicate with humans and other machines. Class, means understood, computers will have digital senses, Computer will have digital senses like speech, sight, smelling, hearing, that will be enable them to communicate with humans. Just like we will understand robots, we can communicate with humans and other machines. Is it clear? Number 7. Number 7 is class artificial intelligence means AI. Artificial intelligence will make computers both as smart as human, means just like human are smart. AI means artificial intelligence will make computers both as smart as human, just like human. Next, number 8. Human and computer evolution will converge. Understood class? Human and computer evolution will converge. Is it clear? Converge means, do you know class? What is converge? Next thing class, converge means ekagra. Is it clear? Human and computer evolution will converge. Ekagra. Synthetic intelligence will greatly enhance the next generations of the humans. Next, number 9. As computers is better than human in intelligence. As computer is better than human means computer is more powerful comparison to human in intelligence, means computer more better comparison to human. Next, number 10. Number 10, current trends. Current trends. There are many current trends. Class, there are many current trends. Number 1. First current trends is given in your book. Number 1, cyber security. First is cyber security. According to this definition, we will understand cyber security. Cyber security aims to protect the computers, networks and software programs from cyber attack. I am explaining again, listen very carefully. Cyber security aims is protecting the computers, networks and software programs from cyber attack. Cyber security is all about protecting your devices and network from unauthorized access or notification. Means cyber security is all about protecting your devices and networks from unauthorized access or notification. Clear? Next, number 2. Cloud computing in science and engineering. Cloud computing in science and engineering. Yes, through this we will understand cloud computing has widely adopted by enterprises. Cloud computing has widely adopted by enterprises. Mostly in enterprises places a cloud computings are used. It may reduce the cost of managing and maintaining IT system. It may means it may reduce, ये reduce कर सकता है the cost of managing and maintaining IT system. IT system की managing and maintaining की cost को क्या कर सकता है, reduce कर सकता है. Is it clear? Cloud computing platforms are also rapidly working successfully for scientific exploration. Means cloud computing platforms are also rapid means continuously working successfully for scientific exploration. Is it clear? Number 3. Third is interactive public displays. Third current trend is given in your book, that name is interactive public displays. According to this, we will understand in recent trends, so an interactive displays of varying sizes in opportunities to enrich users' experiences. Recent trends, so an interactive displays of varying means different types, many types, varying sizes and in opportunities to enrich users' experiences. Is it clear? Number 4. Current trends means last is given in your book. Current trends, 3D imaging techniques. 3D imaging techniques. 3D means, what is the full form of 3D? Do you know, class? 3-dimensional. 3 dimension. So here, according to this definition, we will understand 3D imaging techniques. 3-dimensional imaging is one of the most important tool for transmission and visualization technology. Means 3D imaging is one of the most important tool for transmission and visualization technology. Is it clear? It is a tool for transmission and visualization technology. Next, 3D information has become increasingly incorporated into real world applications, from architecture to entertainment, manufacturing and security. Means 3D information has become increasingly incorporated into real world applications, from architecture to entertainment, manufacturing and security. Is it clear? In medicine field, what is the use of the 3D imaging techniques? In medicine, 3D instruments tracking enable more precise and safer operation. In medicine field, 3D instruments tracking enable more precise and safer operations. Is it clear, class? Now, tomorrow we will understand the future of the technology. Is it clear? Now, today's class is over.